If I didn't know better, I'd say I'd travel 12,000 years into the future.
How many seconds? In eternity. Shepherd's boy.
600,000 years into the future.
How many seconds? In eternity. The shepherd's boy says.
1,200,000 years into the future.
The shepherd's boy says.
2 million years into the future.
The shepherd's boy says.
20 million years into the future.
Shepherd's boy says.
There's this mountain of pure diamond. It takes an hour to climb it, and an hour to go around it.
$52 million years.
Every 100 years, a little bird comes. It sharpens its beak on the Diamond Mountain.
Nearly 1 billion years.
And when the entire mountain is chiseled away, the first second of eternity will have passed.
Well over 1 billion years.
You must think that's a hell of a long time.
2 billion years.
Personally, I think that's a hell of a... Personally, I think that's a hell of a bird. Go to the city. Find somebody important. Tell them I'm back. Tell them I know what they did. And I'm on my way. And if they ask you who I am, tell them I came the long way round. You could probably still hear me. So just between ourselves, you got the prophecy wrong. The hybrid is not half Dalek. Nothing is half Dalek. The Daleks would never allow that. The hybrid, destined to conquer Gallifrey and stand in its ruins, is me.